Hello everyone, this is Tavasum. This video is about a simple web application built using Node.js and Express framework. The application provides endpoints for users sign up and login using the Firebase Firestore as a database for storing user data. These are the following steps to follow. First, we have to import required modules like Express and Firebase admin. Here Express module is used to Express web framework for handling the HTTP request and response. Firebase admin is used to Firebase SDK for server side authentications and access to Firebase services. In the second step, we have created Express application, and then we have to create a static file called public directory. That is, any file placed in the public directory can be accessed directly through the server. After that, we have to initialize the Firebase admin SDK. This initialization will be happen through the service accounts, and this is used as a credentials for the key.json file, and Firestore function is used to get a reference to the Firestore database. After that, we have created a sign up endpoint. Here, whenever the user access the sign up URL, the server sends the HTML file. The server sends the HTML file to the from the public directory, which contains the sign up form. After that, we have used the sign up submit endpoint. Whenever the user submit the form, the server extracts data from the query parameters and then it adds it to the new document which we have created in the Firestore collection. Here I have used the collection name as user demo. That is, it adds all the parameters which is collected from the submit. Then it adds it to the user demo collection in the Firestore. The server responds to client with the message called successful if it is successfully stored in the user demo collection. After that, we have defined a login submit endpoint. Whenever a user submits the login form, the server checks the user demo collection in the Firestore to see if there is a document with matching email and password. If found, then server responds with the successful message indicating that login was successful. Otherwise, it responds with the fail message. After that, we have defined a login endpoint. Here, when the user accesses login URL, the server sends the log HTML file from the public directory which contains the login form. After that, we have given a message like start the server and listen on the port 3002. Let us check the output of this code. For that, we have to execute the command node space filename.js. Here our file name is SSLL. It will display the error message if the port is already in use. For that, we have to just change the port name. Let us check. So this port name is not in use, so we can take it as a port name. Now I have to go to the Chrome. We have to place localhost : our port name. Our port name is 3003 /. Then it will display the sign up form from the public directory which we have stored the sign up HTML file. Now I have to give these attributes. Password. After clicking on the submit message, it will display the message like sign up successfully, please log in. And attributes will be stored successfully in the Firestore database. Let us see how they stored in the Firebase database. This is the data that I have entered before, and it is successfully stored in the Firebase database. And it will retrieve the data from the Firestore database. That is, it looks for the matching email and password, and if the email and password is valid, then the email and the password stored in the database is retrieved, and it will be used in the login. Let us see how login page works. When user enter the login, then it will ask these queries. It will print the message like successfully. That is, it will check for the valid email, password and full name. If the email and password and full name is get matches to the attributes which have been stored in the Firebase database, then it will print the message like successful. In the summary, the code sets up a basic web application that allows user to sign up and log in the user data, and the user data is stored in the Firestore Firebase database, and it will act as a front, and the front end is served from the public directory, and this application will listen on the port 3003 for incoming HTTP request. Thank you.